What is up guys, Stan on this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your Zammad to n8n. So first you need to head over to n8n and then you need to log in with your n8n account credentials, and after that you need to click on this plus icon and then you just need to search for Zammad. After searching for Zammad, click on this and then you need to choose an action. I'll click on create an organization. After that, in the select credential, I'll click on it once and then I'll click on create new credentials. Now here are two options. First one is basic auth and second one is token auth. I'll go with the token auth, and after choosing the token auth, here I need the access token. To get the access token, you need to head over to Zammad, and after that on the left side at the bottom you need to click on your profile and then click on profile button again, and then you need to click on token access, and from here you can add or create a personal token. First you need to name the personal token, and after that you need to set the expiry date. Let's say I have chosen 30th August 2025, and then you need to choose the configuration that you want in your token. And after choosing all the options according to your vision requirements, you just simply need to click on this create button here on the right side, and then you just simply need to copy this token, head back to n8n, click on this access token, and then press Ctrl V to paste your access token. And when you are done, just simply click on saved. But to enter the base URL, you just need to head back to zammad.com again, and then you just simply need to copy this URL at the top, this https demo1 until slash. And after copying it, you just simply need to enter the base URL, and then you need to click on save to successfully connect your Zammad to your n8n. So as you can see, the connection has been successfully tested, and this is how you can just connect Zammad to your n8n. So that's all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.